When I cut my hair short, I had to switch up my whole hairstyling routine because curling irons no longer gave me the look I really wanted, and it actually took longer. I have switched over to using a flat iron, which I used to use all the time, but I got this one and I'm literally obsessed. Pro Artist Black Gold 1 inch. I love the 1 inch for my shorter hair. Micro Shine Flat Iron from Hot Tools. I'm gonna plug this in, and while it's heating up, which happens so fast, I'm going to fill you in on some of the amazing features. Okay, plugged in, and I love that it has this lock here, and it stays closed, which is really nice. So I'm gonna unlock it here. The on button is the inside right here, and you can see it's on because the numbers are flashing here. Now, you use this turn at the bottom to change the temp, and I like mine around 380, 385. So it's on, it's going to beep when it's hot. So I'm just gonna put it down and fill you in on all the incredible features. So it has this new technology that allows it to heat up super fast and then stay hot throughout your use. I don't know, it's already hot. I like to section my hair, and I typically do 3 to 4 sections. And this just helps, to me, it makes it a little bit easier to make sure I get everything. The recommendation is whatever size tool you're using. So this is 1 inch, you're taking a 1 inch section. Just wrap it around and pull it down. I like to curl it and twist it, and then I leave it like this until all of my hair is done being curled. It cools down, and then I brush through, add styling products, all of that. As a professional hair and makeup artist, currently retired, I used to use this in my kit, and it got incredible results. Whether I was flat ironing, getting frizz away, or curling, I loved it, and now I use it for myself. I also find that flat iron curls last longer.